This tutorial will walk you through how to complete a work request. Look in your Craftsperson bucket and click Complete Work Requests. This view will show you all work requests that have been assigned to you as a craftsperson, and they are sorted oldest to newest. So you'll see your oldest request at the top, and that's a reminder for you to complete any outstanding older requests. And if you scroll down, you can get to the newest work requests in your list. So I wish to complete this one at the bottom, so I will click it. Right away, some document fields launch. Now, if while I was completing this job, I went and took a picture of the completed work that I had performed and wanted to attach it to this request so that either for my own records later, if I wanted to look back at it and see the work that I had done, I can log into the system and look back at that work, or the requester could log into Archibus and view that image of the completed job that you had performed. So as long as there's an available document field, you can upload a picture or several pictures if you wish. So this first one here has something in it already. That means that the requester had attached a document to the request when they submitted it. But these other three say upload a document, so they're available to me if I wish to attach a photo to this request when I complete it. So we'll do that. Click check in new document and then choose file, and then you can browse to the location where you have saved that picture on your computer. Might be your desktop, might be somewhere else, and just go and find it. So I know we've already got the bear in there, but let's attach him again. So I select the image I wish to attach, choose it, and then click OK. And then you'll see that it's populated in this document to field. So next I need to find my name under Craftsperson assignments. So I don't have a lot of real estate on the monitor I'm working on right now, so I need to drag around these sections a little bit. You can certainly do that, or you can use the scroll wheel on your mouse to scroll down while you're in this section. So you want to click your Craftsperson code. There may be another person or several people listed here if there are several people that were assigned to this work request by the foreman or supervisor. So I'll click my Craftsperson code, and then I'll see my completion information section appear. I'll just drag these around a little bit so that you can see it better. So I must enter the date started, date finished, and the hours to complete the job, as well as my iCare notes to requester. So I'll click in the field to select the date from the calendar. I'll say I started and finished it today. Although if it took me a week, I can certainly pick some date last week and then pick today as my date finished. I'll say the job took 1 hour, and then you type in your iCare notes here. You'll see there's some semicolons already pre-populated. The reason that those are there is because with the new version of Archibus, the email that's sent to the requester was not formatted so nicely, so we pre-populated these semicolons just to make it look a little bit nicer to the requester. So please leave those in and go ahead and fill out all of the information. And then when you're ready, you simply click Complete Work Request. If I wanted to come in here and add some notes to myself, but I was not actually finished the job yet, I could click Save, and then it would stay in my Complete Work Request view, and I can come back and select it at a later date, and then click the Complete Work Request button. But for now, we'll say that this job is done, so I will click Complete Work Request. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.